Hello friend, welcome back. Generally when we are working on testing and doing either writing the automation script or doing the manual testing, exploratory testing, we always need the system information, browser details, what is the resolution. Most of the time we need it. So we added this feature. This we need uh, maybe for filing debug, or just like if we have to report any issue to someone. It is always being asked that what is the browser version, in which browser version this application is not working, or that app is not working which you are using, etc. So we always need that, and in that case we have to waste a lot of time. Go here, check which browser version it is, go here, check out like which OS version it is. So can we get that information? So we have recently added this feature in Test Case Studio and Test Case Studio Pro, that you can see this information right there here in Test Case Studio Pro, that OS version, browser and all. So lots of people have given this feedback that they need this feature in SelectorsHub and SelectorsHub Pro as well. So we have added this feature in SelectorsHub as well. So now whenever you will open SelectorsHub, let's say you right click, inspect, and here if you open SelectorsHub, so you will see that this information you will see at the footer, like OS version, browser version, resolution of your screen, and the time when you will open this SelectorsHub. So this will be very helpful, that you will be getting this information right there in the SelectorsHub tab itself. Same you will see in the SelectorsHub Pro as well here. Now suppose you don't want to see this information, you feel that okay, because when you will open it like in a small screen like here, and let me make it default size. So this is the default size which it opens here in DevTools. So suppose you don't want to see this information because for so and so region, because you might be opening DevTools in a very small size like this or something like that. So in that case what you can do, you can hide this information if you don't need, and you can go back to the previous thing. So here click on setting, and you will see that this is the system info. You can hide this, go back, and now you will not see that information here. So if you want to see that information, keep that enabled. If you don't want to see, then you can just hide this, uncheck this. So this is how you can get this in. Now you will be getting this system information right there in the SelectorsHub tab, so you will not face this issue. I hope you like this feature. Please do let me know in the comment section if you have any feedback about any new feature you want in the SelectorsHub, and how much you like this feature. Is it useful to you or not? And please keep sharing, keep learning about SelectorsHub, and let others know about SelectorsHub. And thank you so much.